Hey, Blue Pickleson here, and we are playing Project Zomboid. This is, I believe, early access. Version 34.28 on Steam. So I've only played a little bit of this. And I don't want to do scenario. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Don't worry, guys. It's alright. Alright, it's alright. Okay, so I guess I do scenario. Well, let's go right off the bat. And since I haven't really played this game, this will be all new for me. I've played the tutorial and yeah, basic stuff, and I've played like one day. So I'm not even sure this is gonna be uploaded, but we'll find out. That does not matter. I'm just gonna go. Okay, I know which one I clicked. I'll try making me clearly because it's smart. Right now, I'll just change the gender and it's me. Oh, changed everything. And then, yes, because that's. I really don't care. I'm not going to spend all my time on that and waste your guys' time. And we're just going to go with, so we have 8 points. What? No, we're going to go with the strong stuff, I guess. That looks strong. That looks strong. Let's see, what's stuff that we don't need? Okay, I guess. Alright. Oh, wait. Cannot perform. Alright, that doesn't matter. To me. Gets panic. No. No. So I have 1 point to spend, and I could get something else if I wanted to. So if I was to do out of shape. Now, saying that there is get spied more often, that probably means there is don't get spotted, or whatever you're going to call it. Yeah, right here. We do have 7 points. If I were to get rid of this one, but that's pretty much a good one. We could do. Is there one that gives us more weight? Because that's one I keep running into. Organize increases container inventory capacity. Containers. That mean all right? Well, that looks like the only one I've saw. Probably missed one, but well, oh, never mind. No, we have 3 points. Let's go for something with 3. I really don't care about illness. We'll go for I'll go for fast reader. Then yeah, it looks like there's no one. All right, so that looks like we're done. We're gonna save this. That way we don't have to do this. That way we don't have to do this every time. These are end of times. End times, whatever. Same difference. There was no hope of survival. This is how I died. Yes. Loading. Oh, I am kind of sick. So, I'm going to click start. Alright. Oh, this is where I spawned. So let's pin. those open. Now if I equip this secondary, I believe. I know basics, because I totally watched. I totally did not. Just kidding. Grab. We're gonna grab some seeds. A mop, no. Ooh, no. Whiskey. I'm sorry if I'm going fast. I just try and grab everything I can as soon as possible. More bleach. Don't worry, can openers get damaged. Let's grab 2 just in case. Grab. Oh yeah, that's right, I can drag. Peanut butter. I'm just pretty much grabbing anything related to food and water. And building materials. Garbage bag. I'll grab the garbage bag because I believe you can store stuff in it. Nails. That's 5. I'm not going to be able to hold that. So I do know the basics, I guess. Instant popcorn. Oh, there's more. I thought I only said 1. I find it easier to just click. I don't think I'm gonna just stock up on tons of seeds right away. I might for now. Mousetrap. Now we're gonna grab a kitchen. Wait, do I have a baseball? I thought I saw a baseball bat. No? Oh, yeah, there it is. And then we're gonna just. Can I select all these? Oh, wow, I can. Okay, that's full. I was gonna equip that. Forgot how to walk for a second there. I'm gonna grab newspaper just in case I get bored. Well, that still does weight. Just does less, I think. Let's do this. Just throw everything in there. Because that's on our back, so it shouldn't be as... that. So E is open doors. Ooh, sheets. I don't remember what you can do with them. I think you can put them on windows or something. Yeah, 8. So that really decreased. Duffel bag. Oh, that's another thing. I don't. Ooh, I shouldn't have moved. Underwear. I'll grab this duffel bag. Then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna equip this on my. Wait, does it have stuff in it? 65. Now, what is a school bag? 60. Alright, so this is better. Right? 1. Yeah. So that's better. Wait, unless it's capacity. 15. 18. Yeah, it's all better. Equip secondary. Yes. I don't know what's in secondary. Oh. Just gonna drop that. Then battery. Just gonna grab everything. Everything. The blue paint, obviously, we want that. Ooh, nope. Okay, something here caught. Ooh, 8. Goodbye. Then we're gonna have to get rid of the paint. Yeah. Ooh, that school bag. Let's grab this. We only need that. And then I'm going to just drop that because we don't need it. So I took off the wrong backpack. So we're going to unequip that. Equipped on back because it was showing that other one. Yeah. They were just going to drop some stuff. Ooh, sled. Alright. Oh, I'm taking forever on this. Alright, you know. Oh, okay. You know, I'm just gonna go. Ooh, there's a zombie. How do I attack? Oh, like this. Oh, no. I don't know how to attack. Oh, okay, it's right click and. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm understanding this. Sorry about my mouse. I'll get a new one soon. Yay. Oh, it's not dead. Still not dead. Big hiking bag. Are you kidding me? Another thing? So what we're going to do is we're going to grab all this. Or not. Is there a way to select all? Control A doesn't work. Oh, Control Shift. Specifically click each one. If you guys know in the comments, please tell me. So we're gonna do that. Oh, it's full. Oh no, we're still moving it. We don't need that school bag. And then we're gonna take this one off. Sheets. Alright. So we could live in here, which we might end up doing. Okay. And here. Sorry that I am taking a while. It's just, I haven't played this too much. No, drop it. Then when I want to go over this dead body, grab, equipped on your back. And now it should be better. I should have looked at weight reduction, but. So this is not too bad. It's just I haven't played in a long time and I haven't played much. I just mainly idled in the game. What was that noise? Jesus Christ. It scared me. Oh, thank God. Oh, she's not dead. We'll clear out this whole area. So I don't know how long my bat's gonna last. Oh wow, that was easy. What's with these noises? Oh, maybe my headset's turned up all the way. Hold on. Just let me check around me. Good. Just gonna turn down my headset. You might have heard echo. Alright. Jesus Christ. Why is... I don't like that. Oh, wedding ring. Let's read this. Probably not a good time to read it, but it'll keep our guy entertained. Well, that's a lot of people. I hate how I can't really see along the building. I wish you could turn your screen. There probably is a way, but I'm not that advanced yet. I don't like this darkness. Don't see anyone in here. I'm looking for sheets mainly. Can I play this? No. Oh, maybe I have to. Probably not. Thought I saw a zombie. So yeah, you will be seeing art right around where my mouse is. I can't go over there, but that way, I'm drawing an arrow with my mouse. A friend of mine made that. I will have their YouTube channel link in the description. They also, yeah, they're a lot better than I am. That's all I have to say. Ooh, sparklers. Oh, am I full? Oh, I'm full in that. So I've been throwing everything in it. Ooh, magazine for electronics. God, this guy's like ready for everything. Too bad I'm not an electrician. However it works. Read empty note. Oh. I don't want that. Look at all these electronics. It's like they're ready for something. Oh, there's another cabinet. Look at this. This is their kitchen. Where's the food? How to use a generator, how radio, whatever. Engineer, electronics magazine again. Well, since this house is mainly cleaned out. Ooh, wait, what was that? There's a fridge. Where? Oh, it's right there. Okay. So we are gonna be here. Now there is no window in here except for that one. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 windows out here, so I'm gonna. What? Why can't I do that? Oh. Yeah, I have. Maybe I have to put it there. Yeah. Wait, are these separate windows? So 5, 6, 7. 7 windows. So I'm gonna remove the curtains. We're just gonna put it in here. That way we can hang out in here with our lights on. We're gonna also close these because there's a zombie out there. Oh, for some reason I thought you could see through that. So these are like the electronic people. There's another thing. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my main slot. That way I'll start covering up all these windows. And close it. No, I'm gonna close curtain. Close curtains. Because I can just always look out the door. Yeah, that's where I learned the E. So let's go scavenging some more. I'll leave the door open. No, I'm thinking about killing him, but not just yet. This is probably as far as I've ever got, to be honest. Oh, duh, it's right up here. Nothing. Ooh, wait, empty bottle. No, I got water bottles. Probably. I hope when I drink them, I will. Zombie over there. Ooh, that's too much for me. She's coming. I don't know where the door is. Oh, it's on this side. I knew that. Don't worry, everyone. I knew that completely. Completely. Shit. That's a lot of alarm. Don't notice me. Shh. It's okay. They attacking? I don't like this. They're breaking in. Shit, I don't like this. Don't know what to do. They are. Oh, it's the bathroom. Stop. I don't like this game, guys. Oh, I'm at the end of here. Will that zombie get in? Or will they not? Find out next time. On Project Zomboid.